All right, so today's the day. We're going to go ultrasound the goaties.
Yeah, so exciting.
So I'm here with Christine from Channell Homestead. This is the breeder of Jupiter. And what do you got going on here?
So we do farm events, we do horseback riding lessons, we breed the Nigerian Dwarf goats, Flemish giant rabbits, continental giant rabbits. They're huge.
I saw the picture of the rabbit you were holding last night. Oh my God, he's immense.
He's incredible. I'll have to show him to you. He's amazing. So yeah, they're getting really popular. The Flemish giants are more well known, so we typically get more messages for them. But I always introduce them to the continentals too, because they're like the cousin who's a little bit larger and a little more flashy. So that's a really
He was
cool
very
thing
pretty.
about them. Oh, and they're so friendly. So awesome.
Speaking of flashy, her goats win ribbons, like lots and lots of ribbons.
We try.
So, yeah.
And you will be too.
Eventually, I mean, hey, we're getting some Jupiter's lines in there and all of that. So actually, neither of the goats that came today are bred to Jupiter, but
no, that's okay.
they are both rebel babies.
They
so
can be next year when he's a little taller.
Yeah, yes, a little bit bigger.
Yes.
All right, awesome. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go do it. Breed the blue Swedish ducks and the pekins.
They're so cute.
Blue and black Swedish. Yep. Patch them out.
I need ducks.
This is one of our beautiful critters. Will be leaving soon.
Oh, hello, Bun Buns. And they're going to their new homes. Yep. Oh, hello, Bun Buns.
This is Miss Fiona. You want to see her precious?
She's huge.
Ready?
Oh my goodness. Now, do you show the rabbits too?
Some of our 4-H kids do. I just don't have enough time. I don't have enough days.
I was gonna say, yeah, with all that spare time you have.
These are our chickens. So we have Wyandottes, and then we have Royal Palm turkeys.
Oh, what color is that Wyandotte?
Which one?
Oh,
come in.
right in with
right
the white.
Right, that's a splash.
That's
this is
so
a golden
pretty.
lace, blue lace right behind.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So we will have. Hey, stop eating his beard. It was wifey. You're not supposed to be eating his beard. So we'll hopefully have Royal Palm hatching eggs and babies.
Yay!
And this is one of our continentals. She's only she's 5 months old now. She's massive.
Oh.
Reese, I hope she comes out so you can see her whole body.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi. Come on out. Look at how huge she is.
Oh my goodness.
We just moved her over here too.
Look at this big girl.
How huge she is. She's only 5 months.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. All our friends in here. So we condense everybody for the winter just so we can keep our waters. Oh, this is Bugs, the one I was holding. He's all tucked up in a little ball right now. That's him.
Hello, mister.
So
he's a big boy.
Had to get a downgrade for the winter, but we rotate their cages so they have more room in some of the other bigger ones. We put Dumpins, our other real big boy, over here. There he is.
Whoa, you are massive. I want to pet on you guys, but I am so allergic to rabbits.
Oh, are you? Look how awesome he is.
Oh, he's huge.
He was on Channel 7 for Easter. They came and did a segment on him.
Aw.
Really cool.
Now, do you eat bunnies too?
So we actually got into them in thoughts, like theory, if they didn't sell, that we do that, but they always sell.
Huh? Well, there you go.
Unfortunately, never had the pleasure. So,
oh, and these are the babies.
Right now.
Look at all these goats. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
You are a beauty.
She's like a chocolate buckskin. She has the buckskin points. She's actually starting to lose them now that she's getting older. She's a dry yearling right now, but we just bred her.
My goodness, look at you guys. Oh my gosh, look at all these goats. This is crazy.
This is going to be you in a few years.
Oh man.
Nope, there's both kids. Hello.
Oh, look at all these babies and mamas.
So they have a whole pasture area. Look, it wraps around the back over there.
How many acres do you have here?
Almost
Is
3.
that a baby doll?
That's our baby doll.
That's our baby. That's what I want.
Ebony.
I want baby doll.
Yep. Fluffy glory. And we have 2 alpacas too, but they must still be in the stall.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Hello.
Goofballs.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
And our stinky boys are at the shed there. They have a long pen that goes the whole length.
Aha.
Their shed's in the middle.
Oh, look at them and look at their playground.
Yep.
This is what I
Land
need.
out here.
I need to get on that level. That's fun right there.
They love it. They're usually in the summer, you know, when it's warmer. They're
Hello.
all lounging out there. Hello, my baby. We are gonna ultrasound and we're gonna zoom in, see how many babies we got in here.
Oh goodness. Here we go, Cori. She does not want to hang out.
She's pregnant. Yeah, perfect.
Yay!
You're just laying up right
Oh,
against
let's
her.
take a look.
There's a little bean up there.
There's one. Oh, we got more than one.
Yeah, let's sit there and see it move for a minute.
Look at that.
Isn't that cool? Relax.
She's like, there's an alien in me. That's a lot of.
That's not a lot of babies, so don't freak out.
That's a lot of little.
A lot of little
pockets.
sacks, yeah. Sometimes
I don't
it
see.
can kind of magnify. Here we go. Hold on. One. Oh,
So we got
moving around.
two. We got at least twins.
When it looks like there's like 17 babies. Oh
Right.
my gosh, look at the feet. See the feet kicking?
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Look at get a better view of that other baby right there. That bottom right.
Mm-hmm.
There are good bouncing babies on the left. That right one.
Good.
Come on, baby. Come back. See it right there.
All right, so we got at least twins on board.
And sometimes they hide up in mama real
Right.
good.
So I've seen
Oh, there we go. Look at the spine.
Cool.
Look at that.
I've seen a lot of goat ultrasounds on like Weed'em and Reap.
Yeah.
So I have a
that's fun.
kind of idea what I'm looking at.
Yep.
I've never seen so many
Isn't that cool?
sacks though on their ultrasounds, but I know those aren't all full of babies.
Yep. I don't know. I'm not seeing what I'm seeing from this one. See, you can see a whole spine. You see feet. See down that bottom. Hold on. You gonna move? Can you move, please? See, that's what I think is another baby. But I'm not seeing it jumping around like that. So, you can see like that top.
Yeah.
It's like something. Maybe it's a single. Because nothing's looking like. I'm just trying to go.
Oh,
different
don't do me a
places
single
now.
for a first freshener. I don't want
Nobody wants a single.
that big
ever.
baby. All right, so we might just have a single,
Yeah,
one,
I'd
maybe
say
two.
It's one or two.
All
So
right.
if that is a second, it's just really deep in here that I'm not. Trying to,
See if you can catch it
I'm
moving.
trying to push on her even more to see if I can get deeper. See over there. Oh,
Yeah.
see it?
Yep. All right, we're gonna say two. We'll say two.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Two is better than one.
1 to 2.
All right, we'll go 1 to
Don't be
2.
surprised if only one comes out and be
All right.
shocked.
Right.
but could be a second.
All right, 1 to 2, Cori.
Or a little behind.
She's either a little ahead or just 2 days behind. So
I'll figure that out.
let's see. And she's had some big kittings.
Okay. Let's see.
Her first freshening, she had 5. And then she had 3.
So she seems behind
Okay.
because we don't have giant babies like we did.
Okay.
the last.
Yeah, she was either a week ahead or 2 days behind.
She's like sitting down on me.
Girl, do you need to pee?
I think she's just rough guess. I'd say 3 right now.
Yeah, that looks like 3.
So that's
There's one.
Yep. On the left, there's a 2 somewhere on that right.
Yep, and I
There's
can
a
see the
3.
3rd. All right, 3 is good. 3 is not a single.
Nope. There we go. 1 is there. It's moving. See it?
Yep. Oh my
Floating
goodness, so
around.
cute.
Let's try to get that middle.
Oh,
right
Holly,
there.
you're shaking so bad.
And then there's a third. That looks like a good triplets.
Yeah, solid 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3 over there on the right.
Sweet.
Yeah.
That was a lot of driving. We've got Astrid in the car too. She got some good car training today, and she was very, very good girl. And let's get the ladies out because they are so ready to get out of here. We'll let Astrid out first because Leonard is here, my neighbor's dog, and hopefully she will distract him so I can let the goats out so they can run back to their pen. Come on, Astrid. Come on, girl. Come on. And off they go. They're going to go run and play. You guys are so hard to film. You just want to get right up in my business and get the snuggles, huh? All the time. Hello, Sweet Pea. And Sweet Pea number 2. Look at you in your hay head. Oh, you're covered in hay. You've been sleeping under the hay feeder again, huh? Oh, sweet babies. My Stella girls. And Honey. You know how you know Honey's pregnant? Is she lets me pet her sometimes now. Also, she's getting a little bit of a round belly. Speaking of round belly, here's Miss Sugar. We call her Mount Sugar. She is gigantic, a very deep-bodied doe. Are you yelling at me? You want your snacks? Yes, you want snacks. Oh, Sugar loves love. Sugar loves love. Hey, Rebel, my dude. Hi, buddy. Oh, stinky man. You sure got the job done. You sure did. Oh, he says, oh, give me love and scritches. Or ladies. I would like more ladies, please. I can do the job again. So Cori for sure has 1, maybe 2. Fingers crossed. I'm kind of willing that second one into being. Like, we saw it, but did we see it? I'm pretty sure we saw it. I'm pretty sure there's 2. We're just going to say it. She's got 2. And then for sure, Holly's got 3, which is fantastic. 3 was at least what I was hoping for from her. 3, maybe 4, hopefully not 5. But 3 is perfect. 3 is exactly what I was hoping for. So we're really excited. And then in a few weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, we'll take Sugar and Honey up for theirs. So that's pretty awesome. And we could tell that Holly likely did not take on that first breeding, that she probably wasn't actually in heat yet, and she just kind of let Rebel do his thing. So she's actually probably 2 days behind Cori, which is when I noticed that she had mucus on her back end. She was flagging her tail. She was stuck to the buck pen. So I think that was her real heat. And so she's going to be due 2 days after Cori, but you can never trust that. As soon as you see them with the buck, that the buck bred them, you have to assume that that is the breeding date. So we'll be on kid watch from early March. She's probably not due until about March 22nd, but we're just going to watch and be safe anyway, just so that we know. That might not be the due date. I have to look at my list. I've got every breeding date recorded, whether it was the first one, second one. So we'll be on watch for that. And then in about 3 weeks, we'll take Honey and Sugar down to see Christine and have them ultrasounded, confirm that they are pregnant, see how many they've got in there. I'm going to wait till they're a little further along this time. I probably could have waited another week or so with these 2, and then we'd have a little more certainty maybe on Cori, but it's looking pretty good. We got, I'm going to say it, 5 babies on the way. We got 5. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.